I'm Joshua Clement with ID Contractors. Today I'm going to show you some home products to remove rust. Depending on what your rust is actually on, there's a couple different products that we could use. A white vinegar, a cola, Comet or Barkeeper's Friend, some baking soda mixed with water to create a paste, and olive oil. A copper scour. The scour works relatively well for stuff that you don't mind getting scratched up, like the pots or pans. Using this in combination with the steel wool helps to kind of smooth off any scratches that the scour might leave behind. It also makes sure to get all the rust out of the grooves in what you're scrubbing. The scratch pad works really well for sinks, toilets, stuff like that, to where you don't want to ruin the finish on what you're scrubbing. Now, when you're using the Comet or Barkeeper's Friend, you're simply just going to pour it in there and scrub it, mixing it with a little bit of water. With the vinegar, you're going to want to pour it into what you're scrubbing and make sure that you leave it sit for an hour or two. Depending on the damage the rust has done, you might need to leave it a little bit longer. With the Coke, you might want to do the same thing, as just pour it over the area that's affected by the rust and let it sit for an hour or two. Or depending on how deep the rust has penetrated, you might need to leave it a little longer. One thing that's cool about the Coke is you can put nuts and bolts and screws and stuff like that in there and let it soak in there, and then just drain the Coke out, and your nuts, bolts, and screws should be free of rust. Might take a little bit of wiping to remove all the fine dust. Now, with the baking soda, you want to take it and mix it with a little bit of water to create a paste, like so. With this, you're going to put it onto the affected area that has rust. Take whatever scratch pad is recommended and make sure you get a good scrub on it to remove all the rust. Now with the paste, a very good tip with this is to go ahead and put it on there, scrub it in just a little bit, and let it sit there for an hour or two. This way it can soak in and make sure all that rust is good and loose. Another very convenient tool is a wire brush. This happens to be one that you scrub grills with. This is used for stuff that you do not mind getting damaged, such as a shovel, screwdrivers, or any type of metal tool. I'm Joshua Clement with Leidy Contractors, and those are some household items you can use to remove rust.